when a question comes in Lec-1 semester examination that discuss the grazing ecosystem with an example. And what are food chains and food web? Give examples and discuss their significance. So, what is grazing ecosystem? The grazing ecosystem or grazing food chain is a type of food chain in which energy at the lowest trophic level is acquired via photosynthesis. The trophic level means in any food chain, the lowest trophic level means from the consumer to the carnivores, the chain is occurring. So the level is called the lowest trophic level. That is acquired via photosynthesis. The grazing food chain begins with the producers like green plants who create their own food through photosynthesis. Mean the plants are the lowest trophic level producers. Later move from herbivores to carnivores. In the grazing food chain, energy is acquired from the sun. For example, the phytoplanktons are eaten by zooplanktons. Zooplanktons are eaten by fishes. Smaller fishes are eaten by larger fishes. Another example is Another example is grasses to photosynthesis to make food. Grasshoppers eat grasses. After that, grasshoppers are eaten by rats. Rats are eaten by snakes. Snakes are eaten by eagle. After the eagle dies, fungi breaks the bodies down and turns into nutrients. The nutrients along with sun and water cause the grass to grow. That means like this a cycle is occurring and that cycle is called a food chain. Food chain. The definition of food chain is the green plants or autotrophs convert solar energy to chemical energy with the help of inorganic substance such as water, carbon dioxide as well as other nutrients and store it as food material. That means this is doing the photosynthesis, okay, so, and storing it as a food material. This is utilized by plants for their survival and then it is consumed by herbivores. After herbivores are eaten by carnivores or top carnivores, it's carnivores. Through this process, one form of life is supported by another. Thus, food from the trophic level reaches the other trophic level and a chain is established which is known as food chain. Or what do you mean by food webs? In nature, food chain relationships are complicated. They never operate as isolated sequence, as one organism may form the food source of many organisms, and so on. Thus, instead of a food chain, a number of food chains are interconnected with each other and form a web-like structure known as food web. See, an example is here, that is snakes eat frog and also snakes is eaten by eagle. Frog eats grasshopper and grasshopper is also eaten by birds. Grass is eaten by grasshopper and grass is also eaten by rabbit and rabbit is also eaten by eagle or rabbit is also eaten by some other species also. So this is a complicated food chain and these type of complicated food chains are called food webs. These are the significance of food chains and food webs. These are the significance in energy flow. In food chains, the food webs demonstrate how energy moves through an ecosystem, starting from producers to carnivores, omnivores, and like this.